All right, it's August 28th. I've got the Camaro, 2017 Camaro SS1LE up on the lift. I'm just doing some checking. And then I realized I have an oil catch can, which I installed about a year ago. And I haven't emptied it. So today we're gonna empty it. It's made by JLT, it's their version 3.0. A little hard to tell that's JLT, but it is. So I've loosened this bolt so that I can get this can out. And we'll see if it's doing anything. And we're getting the can out. And we're getting it out. Ooh, looks like we've got some wonderful stuff in there, but I will put a rag underneath there. Oh, look at that. Let's see what the oil catch can has done. Oh yeah. It's definitely catching some schmutz. Take it out into the sun. Oh boy, that's burned my eyes out. Yeah, that looks like oil and water. Yep, that little tan stuff, if you can see it, is actually what you get when you have combustion gases producing water, which then combines with the oil and it gives you sort of that tanny whitey stuff. And we'll take it over to the Pyrex to measure it. I'll put this down here for a second. I'll empty what oil I have left in this Pyrex. There's a little. To heck with it. We're just gonna look at it and see it poured out. Ooh, yeah. So it's doing its job. That's great. I'll clean that out and reinstall it. But it is doing its job. It's preventing all this from going into the intake. Presumably that helps keep it from, with a direct injection car, fouling the intake valves. And we all know about that with direct injection vehicles. They no longer clean the intake valves. So you end up with carbon deposits. Yeah. Looking good in the neighborhood. Yeah, there's still some schmutz in there. I guess I could clean it out a little bit more, but hey, it's caught 90% of went through it. So I'll reinstall it. So now you have some proof, I don't know how much proof, that a oil catch can made by a company called Juliet Lima Tango, or JLT, actually does something on a naturally aspirated 6.2 liter LT in a 2017 Camaro SS1LE. And I installed it, oh yeah, like a year or two ago. The car's probably got a couple of thousand miles on it since I installed it. It's always nice to not have that schmutz going into the intake. I'd see no advantage to doing it. And we'll tighten that little baby up. We'll secure down the bracket. Let's see, maybe I can reverse it around. Yeah. You know I'm gonna tighten it up. Get it back into its position. And life is good. So I thought I'd let you see how an oil catch can works in a 6.2 liter naturally aspirated 2017 Camaro SS1LE. Enjoy.